friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we are going to start our 12th one. An object is thrown upwards with an initial velocity of 17 meter per second. So this is 17 meter per second. It's thrown from a building with the building 12 meter height. It is at a height of s is equals to 12 plus 17t minus 5t square from the ground after a flight of t seconds. Find the time taken by the object to touch the ground. So time taken by touch. So what is the time? At the time touching, so the speed will be equal to 0 meter per second. So speed will be equal to minus 5t square plus 17t plus 12. So while touching the ground, speed will be equal to 0. Let's go into substitute, speed will be equal to 0. So minus 5t square plus 17t plus 12. Let's going to take minus as a common, then 5t square minus 17t minus 12. So if it is a multiplied with the minus, it will going to become plus. So that is the value. Let's going to take here. So it will come 5t square minus shift to the left side, it will become whatever it is 0. So minus 17t minus 12 will be equal to 0. So now it is in the format of ax square plus bx plus c format. So ax square plus bx plus c format. So a will be equal to 5, then b will be equal to minus 17, then c will be equal to minus 12. So these are the values. Let's going to take b square minus 4ac. Let's going to write b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac, b square is minus 17 whole square minus 4 into 5 into c will be equal to minus 12. So 17 square. So what value we will get? 17 square will be equal to 289. So 289 minus into minus will become plus. So 4 5s are 20, 20. So 240 we will get. So 240 plus 489. So 240 we will get as 529. So 529. So this is the value of b square minus 4ac. Then what is the actual one? The t will be equal to solutions for this. T will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus b means b is nothing but minus of minus 17 plus or minus square root of 529 by 2 into a is nothing but 5. So 2 5s are 10. So 17 plus or minus square root of 529, we will get it as 529 as 23 whole square. Square we are going to cancel. Then what value we will get? 10. So 17 plus or minus 23 by 10. So first t will be equal to 17 plus 23 by 10, or we will get it as t will be equal to 17 minus 23 by 10. So what is the value of this? So the 17 plus 23. So what value we will get? 17 plus 23, that is 40 by 10. 10 ones are 10 fours are, or this one will become minus 6. So minus 6 by 10. So that is 2 3s are, then 2 5s are. So minus 3 by 5. So time cannot be a negative. So for that minus 3 by 5. So therefore time at ground while touching t will be equal to 4 seconds. So this is the value. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.